cheated and I've lied. I've broke down and I've cried.
Hey guys, so I was just getting some guava and stuff this morning. Pretty cool. So we're actually going to another waterfall today on the other side of the island. So last time we were on the east side, I believe. So this time we're going to kind of the southwest, near Roseau, if you look that up. But yeah, that's where we're going, so it should be pretty fun. And yeah, see you next time.
At my door, I've been at the wrong place at the wrong time, chasing all the wrong things most of my life, and every kind of loss that you can't find. But I got one thing right, been the kind of guy girls mamas don't like, running with the wrong crowd on the wrong night.
It's gotta go through your head. Who comes through and just left their shoes here? They were just walking by and they're like, you know what? I think these shoes are done. You know, I don't like shoes anyway, so I'm just gonna leave them on the side of the road of a waterfall. Seems like a perfect place to leave your worn out shoes. Here you go. It's gonna be a bit of a hike, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. I legitimately just wiped out on that rock. It's so hard. That hurt really bad. This is the most sketch trail you've ever seen. This isn't even a trail at this point, it's just a pile of rocks. Literally. Oh crap. I'll be there in a second. Ah! Watch out. I'll help you guys up. Here, Sadie.
I got it.
You got it? You got it. It's not blood. I don't think that's blood. It's probably not blood, right? Yeah, it's not blood. It's definitely blood. Definitely blood. You need a hand?
Nope.
Okay.
I need you to move.
I'm moving. My legs can only move this good looking butt so fast. I'm going. There we go. Ooh, look. Ooh. We're finally at the waterfall. We're almost there.
Not bad.
Oh, wow.
It's like in the rock.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kelly, reaction to the waterfall. Kelly.
That was a long hike.
It was a really, really long hike. I didn't think it would be that long. Maybe, I mean, it wasn't too long, 10-15 minutes, but for us, it was a really tiring hike. It was like that the whole way. I mean, 10-15 minutes of straight walking. Since we probably were here for 20-25 minutes. But, yeah. That's it. It's still super sketchy. I may die here. Wow.
Let's watch out for all the waterfalls.
What?
There's that rock up there. If that fell, we'd be in trouble.
Oh, you can feel the water coming at you right now. Callie, should I go in?
Yeah. I dare you. Take off your shirt. Go on.
I'm going in, boys. It's getting really loud in here.
Yeah.
Ah, feel that wind. That's insane.
Oh.
I may die. It's mountain goat. Mountain goat. Mountain goat. A man. Who kind of sounds like a goat. That's kind of weird. He's basically a goat. It's another mountain goat in its natural habitat balancing. Hey guys, what's up? So we just here at the Purple Turtle Beach. It's really sunned up now. It's getting pretty nice. I think we're gonna do a little shopping here and then head back home. Not entirely sure. But yeah, I think that's the video. That's basically it. So you guys have a great rest of your day. It's great to change things. Right over, if you have extra time, right over here-ish, I believe, like right there, you can watch the other video. Watch another video there. And then over here, subscribe if you can. Like right there. Yeah. Click that. It's just like one button. It really means the world. But yeah, just right there. Press it if you can. But other than that, yeah, have a great day. See ya.